Hello everyone, welcome to the Truck Driver Guy. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, guys, and eat more salad, guys. Eat more salad for sure. As you guys can see, I want to share with you guys something. If you're gonna eat salad, you're gonna feel better. Just basically eat more vegetables, guys. Eat more vegetables. So anyway, guys, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment below. Feel free to ask me any questions you want about trucking. And I wanna just shoot a short video for you guys. Tell a little bit about my mood today. How's everything? I just did some exercise today. Pretty much I'm planning to work a little bit more on losing weight and improving my health for sure. And as I said, guys, earlier, if you have any questions or if you want to comment, feel free. And as you guys can see here, I'm in San Francisco with Casper. This bird was really cool. It was repeating. I talked to the bird, and the bird was saying Casper, Casper. Yeah, it was very cool. And guys, just walking in San Francisco, California. Just went to that Starbucks. By the Golden Gate Bridge in that park. Presidio. Guys, some really nice cars in here. Guys, but anyways, guys, how's your day going? How's everything? How's trucking? How's your life going? Feel free to comment. And by the way, guys, most of you guys not subscribed to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel and like my videos, because about 98% of my viewers are not subscribed to the channel, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Help me out, guys. And here I'm just chilling in Pacifica, California. See, guys, I'm showing you my life, so please support me. Subscribe to the channel, comment below, just say whatever you want. You can ask me any questions about the trucking. As a truck driver, what I recommend for you guys as a truck driver, if you're a company driver, company drivers are pretty much the lowest. I would say company drivers make the least out of all the trucking chain, basically. Always shoot for a company. Try to find the company that would actually pay you guys as an owner operator. There's a lot of companies that would lease a truck to you guys, and find the company that would pay you as an owner operator or as a lease to own. Always try to do it. The best, of course, if you're gonna do it with your friend or family or husband and wife team, of course it's a lot better, because you only have one payment but two sources of income, because two people are working, so you guys have double income and only one payment, when you can easily pay it off faster. And as soon as you're gonna pay off the truck, whatever money left is your money. And always, guys, always ask, always look for the company that give you 100% of the fuel discount. Most of the companies, they hide this from owner operators. They say, oh, here is my fuel card, if you want you can use it, but they do not provide a fuel discount. Fuel discount can be very crucial. Like some companies, like, for example, that I personally know, some of their drivers get up to like $10,000 or $12,000 annually on fuel, saved on fuel, because they use their fuel cards, and because of company fuel discount, they're saving a lot of money just on fuel. Also, look for the company that would give you discount on parts for the truck. For example, tires, different kind of parts for your semi truck, because sooner or later you're gonna change your tires, and you're gonna have to buy them. But if a company would give you their discount, you can actually make pretty good savings on that as well. Also, guys, another tricky part about the companies, get ready to hear it, guys. A lot of companies, they charge ridiculous percentage. Like, for example, for example, I want to tell you something. Some drivers, they say, oh, I don't make any money, I'm owner operator, and I don't recommend you to be an owner operator because there is no money in trucking and stuff like that. Yeah, because they're paying, some of the owner operators pay like 45% from whatever they're making. So, for example, imagine they made $10,000 a week that week, and they pay $4,500 just for the company, because company was finding loads for them. So my recommendation to you as an owner operator, always look for the company that will give you the best rate. For example, I would say like this. Most companies would probably charge 20 to 30%. Again, still, even if the company gonna charge, let's say, 30%, you're still gonna make more than a company driver. That's the catch. But spend your time, because basically you're investing in your own time. You're investing in your own wealth. Spend your time, find the company that would actually charge, let's say, 15%, instead of paying 45%, 15%. Or some companies, not a lot of people do that because of different reasons and stuff, but some companies only charge 8%. So imagine you're making $10,000 that week. Let's say you gross, husband and wife team, you guys grossed $100,000 in 1 month. You're only gonna pay $8,000 a month versus $45,000 a month. Do you feel the difference? It's a huge difference. And again, if you do it for a year, of course, 8% in 1 year, you're gonna pay almost $100,000, but 45% in 1 year, you're gonna pay over $500,000 for that company. So, guys, whatever you guys gonna do, always shoot for a better rate. Always. Yes, some of you gonna be like, oh, I'm comfortable in my company, they charge like 38%. We're like a family, it's a blah blah blah. Come on, guys, give me a break. Family, they're charging you 38%, and they be like, oh, you're a family. No, you're not a family. You just, oh my goodness, family. They be like, you know what, you're a family. Yeah, we're gonna charge you 10%, but not 38%, not 45%. Like, I've met one driver at the truck stop. He was driving for 40 years for a company, and they were paying him 40 cents a mile. 40 cents a mile after 40 years. I was shocked. And he was like, oh, sometimes owner let me sleep in his basement. When I come, when he would come to the yard, owner would let him sleep at the basement. I'm like, bro, are you kidding me? You're a truck driver. You're not some kind of gosh. So guys, always shoot for the better. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, guys, comment below. Feel free to ask me any questions about the trucking. If I will have time, I will respond. Whatever you guys do not give up. Keep on trucking, guys. Keep on trucking, and do your best to always improve, no matter what. always improve no matter what. And please subscribe to my channel, and best of luck to you guys. God bless you guys, and keep on trucking.